In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send crypto from Pump.fun. To get started, head over to Pump.fun and open the Solana wallet you already have connected or plan to use. Unlock your wallet using your usual login method, such as your password or biometric authentication. Before sending anything, make sure your wallet has enough of the token you want to transfer, along with a small amount of SOL to cover network fees. That fee is important because on Solana, transactions need a little SOL to go through. Next, copy the recipient's wallet address. Ask the person receiving the crypto to send you their Solana wallet address. Then carefully check that it's correct before you continue. It's a good habit to verify the full address, not just the first few characters. You should also make sure the recipient's wallet supports the specific token you're sending. This helps avoid failed transfers or funds being sent somewhere they can't be accessed properly. Once that's done, locate the token you want to send in your wallet. Open your wallet's asset list, find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, and select it. This is the point where you want to be extra careful that you've chosen the right token, especially if you hold several similar assets. Now tap or click the send button, paste the recipient's wallet address into the address field, then enter the amount you want to transfer. Take your time here. Even a small typo in the wallet address can send funds to the wrong place, and crypto transactions are usually irreversible. Before confirming anything, review the transaction details closely. Check the recipient wallet address again, confirm the amount is correct, look at the network fee, and make sure the token type matches what you intend to send. This quick review is one of the most important parts of the process because it helps prevent mistakes before the transfer is final. When everything looks right, click send or confirm. Your wallet may ask you to approve the transaction one more time. Approve it, then wait a moment while the Solana network processes the transfer. In many cases, this happens quickly, but timing can vary slightly. Finally, verify the transaction. Check your wallet balance to confirm the funds were sent, and if possible, confirm with the recipient that they received them. If you need more details or want to track the status, you can also use a Solana blockchain explorer to look up the transaction. And that's how to send crypto from Pump.fun.